Welcome back to the channel. It's Fatima here. I'm just out here doing a little fishing. See if I can't catch something for you guys. I was catching them live earlier. I just want to kind of catch some and throw out a shout out video with if we can catch something. Just have a little prelude to the shout out video. All right. So we did catch something, but it's a little baby. It's not what we want. We don't want this little baby. Thank you, but no thank you, little baby. You go back. Oh. I caught that one so quick I wasn't even ready for it. So let's crumbs out there and see if we can't get some stuff, get some fish. We got one, guys. Hope you all can see that. Okay, so this will be our last one for today. During this little segment, I will be doing some shout outs during this segment. So you all just sit back and relax, and we have a long list of shout out names to call out. I want to thank everyone who have been rocking with the Queen. Thank you all so much. I appreciate you guys for hanging in there with me. So I'm going to get this one strung up. Okay guys, so this is what we have been working with. If you want to go back and see me catch all of these fish, go over to the live, okay? Go over to the live and the latest video with me fishing. You'll be able to see me catch all of these fish. Oh wow guys, I think this is probably 20 pounds of fish, no joke. No joke. So thank you. I'm trying to get my thumbnail how I'm gonna do this, guys. Thank you all so much. Appreciate it. It's Fatima here. Shalom, shalom, guys, till we see each other again. Thank you so much for joining the channel. Stay tuned for the shout out that's going to continue on with this video. Thank you all. Bye-bye. Alrighty. Okay, guys, a nice shout out to Sandy's Home Recipe, Fatima Zif, Liza Lorente 6108, Mario Diaz, D'Angelo Scott _ motivation, It's Zotime, Sesame 20, Elmore Bacano, Macrotintinoi, Nature-WX10R, Andymon TV3, E is God's Son, Wellness with Frugal Mama, Guts Torillo 6106, Mike-UN2CB, at Chef Hit Dice, Praying Couple Cooking Series, at Simbinigu, at Fishing _with _Domingo, at the LH Way 4841, at Enigma Blue, at Nitya 2929, at Janine Smith -130, at Lee's Life 99, at Strength of a Family, at Crazy and Insane TV, at Queen's Alchemy 22, at Loyalties Matter, at Rock and Roll 6546, at The Traveling Israelite, at SJ Burka N3X, at Christine Da 4686, at The Belcher's Appreciative Eye, at Tony Kitchen, at Shibuik Do Kiki, at Sincerely Michelle 26, at It's Zotime, at Jamaican Journey to Ghana. Those were the latest commenters on my latest video, guys. So let's see, get over here and look at another video right quick. Let's see if we have at Hadia Official, at Strength of a Family. They commented on that latest video as well. That was a fishing video. And guys, remember, if you want to see the fishing video in full, you must go over to the live section and watch that fishing video in full. So we had the 1,000 subscriber celebration video. So I'm going to get over here and shout out the people who actually commented on that as well. Thank you all so much. We had Guts Tolorio 6106, at Halinganaga, at Brother Martha Channel, at 70 Senior TV 64, at Joy with Jana Kake, at Sesame 20, at Crazy and Insane TV, at Fishing _ with Domingo, at Fishing _ with Domingo, at Mario Diaz, at Sharita Jones, at Mokika Malek, at Loyalty Matters, at Sincerely Michelle, at Takaranta Moran 966, at Chares Sada, at Aurora Guitar Music, at Rain Laxing Sound, at Theo Car 2020, at Nitya 2929, at Patty's Kitchen Garden and More, at 5G's Family Journey, at Motivate Inspire with Andrea, at Pat the Encourager, at Judy Naomi, at Gopal Halder, at Amaralaria, at Yo's Way of Life, at The Lady Glow, at Sonia Inspire 8199, at The Traveling Israelite, at E is God's Son, at Elmer Bakamodomoratin Noi 9207, at Cat Crafts Green Eyes, at K_Global TV, at Crystal 1980, at Callie 64, at Pitt's Life, at Crowned and Curls, at Lee's Life 99, at It's Zotime, at Joseph Family 47, at Sandy's Home Recipe, at Patty's Kitchen Garden and More, at Wellness with Frugal Mama, at Pauline Peg, at Select Hotels Travel, at Blissful Balance, at Discover with Yabo, at D-Don Kitchen 7272. Okay, gotta hurry up. At the Belcher's Appreciative Eye, at Chef Hit Dice, at Nemo 504, at the Homebody Trish, at Sharita Jones, at Joganayan _N_Sable Ghana, at Empty Nest Travel, at Kimberly Mensa, at Knowledge Facts Science, at Mike on 2CB, at Recomshire, at Sultan Bonsol, So guys, we're going to end it right here. Thank you to everyone. I really appreciate you all joining the channel. To the Most High, bring us back together again, guys. Bye-bye.